Right, so we have the equation of the road, we have the equation of the radius. Where they meet, that's the point of intersection, and that's what we're after then, the point of intersection. So we need to find this, if I can spell intersection correctly. What are we going to do? How are we going to do this? What are we presented with here? Yes? You could do that. That's absolutely fine if you do it that way. What was your suggestion?
Make the equations equal to each other. And then
Make the equations equal to each other.
Can you just put y into the top equation, because you found y there, and you could just put it into where the 3 y's.
Every suggestion there is absolutely fine, yeah. Basically here you've got two simultaneous equations and you can solve them any way you like, okay? I'm going to go with the version that Callum said. Really doesn't matter which version we did, okay? This one here, I can just, every time up here I see a y, I can replace it with that. So if I call that one equation 1 and that one equation 2, if I substitute equation 2 into equation 1, equation 1 used to be that, but every time I see a y, I'm going to replace it with this. So I get 4x plus 3 lots of 3/4 x plus 1/4 equals 12. And if you multiply this and solve it, you'll get an answer for x. So I got 4x, 3 lots of 3/4.
3. Yeah, what? No.
Yeah, just keep it as a top-heavy fraction. 3 3s are 9, 9 over 4x. Then over here, 3 lots of 1/4, 3/4. We've got the 12 there. It might be useful to think of that 4x also in quarters. 4x is how many quarters? Yeah. So that's the same as 16 over 4, 16/4 x. So 16/4 x plus 9/4 x is 25/4 of x. So 25 over 4x. Excuse me. Move that to the other side where it become a minus, and you'll have 11 1/4 on the right-hand side. What's 11 1/4 as a top-heavy fraction? 45/4, yes, because 11 was 44/4 and the extra one, so 45/4. Now at this point, what can you do to make life easier? Emma?
Times 3 by 4.
Yeah, you can times everything by 4, or you can just, because both sides are over 4, you could, if you like, just ignore the 4s. Okay? That's exactly the same as saying 25x is 45. So x will be 45 divided by 25, dividing by 5, 9 over 5 as a decimal, 1.8. So when you know it's x coordinate, what else do we want to know? It's y coordinate. If we use what's at the top of the board up there, that's how we can work out y by substituting into that one. So if we substitute x equals 1.8 into what I called equation 2 from earlier, we will get y equals 3/4 of, I'm going to put it down as a fraction again because I've got fraction here, 3/4 of x plus 1/4. And if you put that into a calculator, you should have the final answer popping out. Or you could might even be able to do it in your head with some good old-fashioned cancelling down or something. 27/20 plus 1/4. 27/20 plus 5/20. 32/20. 16 over 10. 1.6. Okay? So that came from, times the top, 27 over 20. 1/4 is 5 over 20. Put those together, 32 over 20. That's the same as 16 over 10, so that's why it's 1.6. Okay? So we've got now that point of intersection is 1.8, 1.6. That is the point of intersection. It's where they meet. So if you go back to your diagram, that is this A point over here is 1.8, 1.6, and we are nearly now at finding the solution.